You keep it up. Y'all don't mind that shit right there.
That's like your wig cricket.
And let it be cricket. Bitch.
Stupid.
Stop playing with me, bitch.
Stupid.
Stop playing with me, bitch.
What the fuck?
With some ratchet bitches. 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 Ratchet bitches.
Hey.
Bitches.
Anyways, I want to thank you guys for subscribing to my channel. This is Lala. This is
Tiki Wiki. And this Dipsy.
That's Coochie over there. But anyways, I'll be getting on here a lot more than what I usually do. So y'all gonna be seeing a lot of, a lot of jokes, pranks, anything. So
You can even request what you want.
Yeah, you
done,
can also request
what you want to see.
Yeah, you can definitely request, because once you do that, then everything will fall into place. Definitely. So, I really need you guys to really share my shit, like my shit, ratchet bitches shit. You hear me? But
a whole lot of ratchet shit.
We classy though. We only do this on the inside. We just be playing. You know what I'm saying?
Don't take none of this shit
Don't
serious.
take none of this serious at all. But y'all understand that later on sometime. I don't know. Yes, you see all my roles in. A bitch don't give a fuck. Ratchet bitches. 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 Yo, that was just a little taste, but the more y'all
get, yeah,
it'll be on and popping.
I'm so glad.
But anyways, this is my dog, my best friend, my everything, my Bambi. She'll be in my videos. Y'all gonna be seeing her a lot more in my shit. But respect the hustle. On some real shit. And yes, we are actually in my kids' room in Ratchet bitches. They got the living room. My room occupied with my man.
Yeah, cause she got her own room.
I got my own room. I got my own house.
Oh, that's your period.
So
no, you look like You look like Look.
Don't come to me.
I came with gas money. What's up?
She ain't got no edges. She need to go put some edge control on them. Cause she really ain't got none on them. I'm just saying, I'm just talking on them.
That bitch stay wishing for him.
Oh.
What?
Girl is bald.
As fuck. She look like a frog. As fuck. Straight look like a dog. As fuck.
She got dog titties. They be hanging long as fuck.
Frog titties.
Dog titties.
Hey.
Anyways,
come
y'all
and ball
tune
with
in.
me.
Y'all link
Sup,
in.
balls
y'all
with
subscribe
me.
in. Go ahead and share my YouTube. Anyway.
She's stuttering.
I am. Shut up, bitch.
Tongue twisted. She muttering.
Hold on.
Bluttering.
I got to show.
Shoes can't talk like that. So stop trying to talk like that because shoes can't do it.
You stupid ass.
You mad because you can't talk like that. This specials.
You is specials.
Very specials.
how to roll?
No.
How to roll?
But she know how to roll on dick. That's crazy.
Damn, sure do.
That's
Backwards
crazy.
and all.
Oh,
Don't give a fuck.
I'm finna call.
call corporate.
I'm finna call Rehab.
She a judge with it.
Oh my god.
On the dick. She a judge
You can
for
do that on
dick.
YouTube?
I do what the fuck I want on YouTube. They ain't got no rules and regulations. Bitches be posting all types
Look.
of shit on here.
Come here.
But
Watch this. Alright.
it
Are you ready?
fuck.
You ready? Alright. You ready?
Mhm.
You see this? Go like this. 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 Now put on your chin.
Don't fucking do me.
Oh, bit retarded ass. She tried to look at me though. She tried to see what the fuck. What the fuck?
Because you be playing too much.
Now get that. Get that.
Get what?
These nuts, bitch.
You had to put it in the camera, bitch. That don't count, ho. Freak 'em. Get your ass somewhere and sit down.
She finna play with pussy tonight.
It's
Ratchet bitches. Ratchet bitches. Y'all do not judge us. We just be on here playing, but you know, we got more. We're gonna show you our lifestyle and what we be doing on a daily basis. Like, you know what I'm saying? Be little
Catching up
stuff.
with the girls.
Yo. Yeah, she sniffed up. Yeah. She smoked Molly's. She sniffed coke. I smoked my weed. I ain't
she
never
also
going
do
broke.
She do dope.
She does crack.
She does the dope.
She does crack.
She does
Her
hella
telling-
dope.
Oh,
Be high as fuck, sniffing hella coke. Yeah,
she
yeah.
has
She
fuck.
smoke hella dope. Be high as fuck, sniffing hella dope.
When
Yeah.
she shoot up that heroin, she think she real strong. She be throwing the bed, sitting the fucking door. But I don't give a fuck, cause I already know that's the drugs, that ain't her. And I'm just telling you for sure.
Hold on, bitch. But didn't I just see you with a pipe? Don't think I ain't just see you motherfucking last night. Round the corner, behind the dumpster. Stop playing with me, ho. You was hitting that monster. Taking bit hits off that dirty shit. Yeah, she was thinking about dirty rich. Getting dirty dick from another jug. Yeah, how that work?
I seen you licking them balls on that jug. He done dropped his drawers. Now you done came out the hood. You
Tell him
done
my
jumped up on the
business.
porch. Done lit this fucking ear. Now you wanna whisper in his shit so he can take it there. You really need to stop that shit. Stop shooting up that heroin.
I
You
can't.
need to be smoking some weed and stop tripping.
I do that
I'm
too.
just saying though, what you in it for? You need to stop getting high, bitch. Smoke some weed.
Bitch, I smoke hella weed. And I smoke hella weeds. And you smoke hella seeds. Dirty weed. She put dope in her weed. That's why I don't smoke with her. Cause you can't trust shit that she be smoking, bruh. Real shit, though. You gotta watch that hoe. She be lacing blunt
she
like a
look-
crack hoe.
And this is who you go home to. Late night talking all that shit, boo hoo.
Ooh.
Snatch your glasses off.
Oh my
You
God.
cock out it. Catch that fucking eye. Don't you fucking surprise it. He gon' get wet. I don't even know what I was about to say. Girls, fuck you, pussy hole.
And she gonna hit me with my own fucking wig. Popping all them jigs. Looking like a pig on them frog ass tits.
And now I'm blind. I can't even see. What the fuck am I looking at? A freak see?
Oh my God.
What the-
Give me my shit.
But wait, what the fuck?
She loves snatching a bitch wig
Girl, I
off.
can't see these fucking glasses.
You should have put the wig
Man.
on top.
Almost went cross-eyed.
Hold on. I'm trying to. I got the bike holiday. I got the bike holiday. Hey, shawty, what's up? Girl, I wanna lick your butt. I wanna suck on them toes. Yeah, let me lick on them rolls. Yeah, I got the crooked afro. Edges just fucked up. Bitch, she sliding our shit off some more. Like I don't see
Damn, you
her.
look like Fred. That like a style, bitch.
Looking like that.
Girl, hit a nose.
Oh,
Hold on.
yeah.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
Yeah.